Lichi channel, and today let's see what dominoes are and a few techniques of how we can build dominoes. Use your creativity to build whatever you want in dominoes. Let's start the video. Ta-ding! I got my domino set. I prefer dominoes this summer, but I always get a toy every year, and this summer I prefer dominoes. It has 600 pieces. That seems a lot, but it's not enough. But since I'm a beginner, I got only this much. Technique number 1. You take a straight line. For this, you can use a template. It makes the distance of the dominoes even, and it's easier to build with the template. So I'm going to use yellow. Now let's make another one. Now that we have the line, a fall down means you just push one domino and all of it will fall. So let's see the fall down for this track. That was fast. Technique number 2, it's called Sony Mod. If you're wondering who gave what gave it that Sony Mod name, it's exact same. We put dominoes vertically, but we put Sony Mod horizontally. So Dominos and Sony Mod, it's spelled exact opposite. So I'm just going to set a group of Sony Mods. Now, for the knockdown, for the fall down, this is a different way. You don't touch anything. You just pull one out, and all of it will fall down like in a straight line. Technique number 3, the domino pyramid. You arrange the dominoes in a pyramid shape. So I'm just going to make a pyramid now. So now I finished building the domino pyramid. For the fall down, you still need a little more dominoes and put them at one piece. So just put them in a line. Now that we got it, let's see the fall down. 3, 2, 1. That was cool. For technique number 4, you can use this. You just need to take a domino and it will hit one side, and the other side this thing will just spin and it will just hit the other domino trail that we're putting on the other side. For this, I'm not going to use my hand. I'm going to push it with the ball. So first let's just put the dominoes and then I'll push it with the ball. The knockdown. Woo! So I've just built a small project. First, these are all the techniques that we discussed today. First is the straight line, then it's the Sony Mod. I don't know which direction the last domino will hit, so I just put a circle. If it hits here, it will go there. If it hits here also, it will go there. So, and it will hit the pyramid. At the same time, this will come, and the ball will hit this, which will hit this, and this will spin, and it will go there. Let's see if it works. This is where we're starting, and this is where we're ending. 3, 2, 1. I hope you like this video. This is a secret for Dominos. You need patience if you want to build a big project. If you're a beginner like me, you need a lot of that. So even if you accidentally topple one, all of your project will be ruined. So you have to do it from the start again. You need a lot of patience to build Dominos. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.